is just all the way gone. It's chrome and it's just beautiful. That's probably the most important part I've bought to this car. I really have a lot of parts and pieces to just get welded on, but I really need some help. And that's pretty much why I haven't been making any videos, and that's why there has been so long since the last video. I just got these parts. This is the front valance that I've had so much problems trying to order. It's this piece of this all the way. That, yeah, as you can see, it's just all the way gone. So I really had to buy it from stock, because I can't just make that up like this or anything. That's just too difficult. And also these side skirts for both of the sides. As you know, I have done all the work inside of both rear cases, but as you can see, I haven't touched this part because I knew that it would be a little more difficult, and when I saw I could buy it from new, I was just like, yeah, that's probably the better option here. So I bought it for both of the sides. As you know, they're not good, either of them. So, and if you haven't noticed, I never took off the side mirrors because there were no side mirrors. Probably the guy before me, he sold it off to someone else, and yeah, there was no side mirrors on this car when I bought it. So that's what these two boxes are. Well, I hope so. They should be chrome. Let's check. Damn. I don't know if you can see it by the plastics, but it's chrome and it's just beautiful. This will look so great on the car. Damn. The car has front and also back bumpers, which are chrome, and also I also think, yeah, there was chrome around the windows. Well, I know there was in the back. I can't really remember if there was in front. I don't think so, but there are some chrome pieces on the car already. So when I saw I could buy these, I was it just should fit perfect. And since I had no side mirrors, I had to buy some anyways. So these are so great. Can't wait to get them on when the time comes. And of course, there should be one for each side, but I think this front valance, this front piece of the car, that's probably the most important part I've bought to this car. I have bought a lot of parts. As you have seen in earlier videos, I bought this back piece, which is all that. So I really have a lot of parts and pieces to just get welded on, but I really need some help because I've not done all of this bodywork before. I've only done a lot of rust work, as you can see, and I'm still doing it. So until I can get some help, I can't really get further, which is also why there hasn't been a lot of videos lately. So I'm really sorry for that, but I'm really glad that these pieces came in. Now I'm just waiting for a little bit of help.
alt det kan lade sig gøre, hvis der er viljen til at ville. Der er større end frygten for at fejle.
This whole video has been made around 8 months ago, and I know it's been a very long time since the last video, and I'm very sorry for that. And I also mention it through this video, but at that time it has already been a couple of months since the last video. At that time I was waiting for some help, and as you saw here at the very last in the video, someone came to help. I met him, and he helped me a little bit, but it didn't turn out to be that long. But this August in 2021 I began studying. I don't even know what it's called in English, like a body technician or a sheet metal worker or something. But pretty much I loved making these videos and loved working on the car, and that's pretty much what I'm studying right now. So I had to move through the country, and I had to begin my journey as doing this as a full-time job. And that's pretty much why I haven't been making any videos, and that's why there has been so long since the last video. Because the Ford is right now in a barn, just waiting for me to come back stronger than ever. And I've already been studying this a little more than half a year, and I've learned so much more, and I've become so much better. So I'm really looking forward to coming back to the project, but that will go some time, I think. I'm sorry for that, but at the end it will be much better for me to have a little more knowledge of what I'm doing, instead of just trial and error as you have seen throughout the videos. But this was just a little brief on why there hasn't been any videos in a very long time, and this will probably also be the last one in a long time again. I just had some video left from when I had the chance to work on it the last time before it went into the barn. But as you have seen in this video, I really have pretty much all of the parts I need, and I just have to put it on the car. And since I know a lot more now, I'm very much more comfortable doing it alone if I have to do it. But I'll see you then.